Everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam, and I have another unboxing or unbagging for you today. I'm really excited about this one. Well, I'm usually excited about all of them, but for the longest time, I've been debating about getting a Loewe bag, puzzle bag, in particular the small size. And I've never seen one in person. That doesn't usually stop me. But the thing that kills me with the Loewe bags is I just think that they are a lot of money for what you're getting. And what I mean by that is, and this is going to sound terrible, but maybe not, the interiors are fabric. And it's not even an all leather bag. And right now the prices for smalls start out at over $4,000. And I just think that's really expensive for what you're getting. I mean, we know these things are expensive regardless, but I mean, like if you buy a brand new Chanel, it's all leather. If you're buying a brand new Hermes, it's all leather. Coach now is starting to make some bags that are all leather, like they're like the quilted tabby I got. And so I just have a really hard time with a starting price point of $4,000 on a bag that the interior's fabric. And not even that fabric's such a bad thing. I mean, you can buy shapers or inserts to protect the fabric, but to me, leather's a lot more durable. Your bag is bound to last longer, not only because it's, I mean, if it's got leather, it's going to hold its shape better, I believe, than something that had just fabric inside. I mean, I know they can make squishy leather too. I mean, we look at Portland leather goods and they're all leather bags as well. There's not a lot of structure to a lot of them, but I don't know. I just have a really, really hard time with a bag being that expensive, brand new, and even used, you'd be lucky to find a Loewe bag under $3,000. So I guess you could say they hold their value, but then again, there's a lot of them out there, so maybe people just aren't buying them used either. So that brings me to this bag, and I, not too long ago, got a great deal off of Shop Prime Outlets. And that's when I bought my mulberry, my little blue one here. They had that like 75% off. And one of the other brands that they had there that I've been looking at was Tiffany and Fred. And I know Winnie's done a video on Tiffany and Fred, and Autumn has some awesome bags from Tiffany and Fred. And Dawn does.
Does Wilma know?
No.
Oh.
Very funny. Tiffany, Fred, Wilma, and Fred. I get it. But you know, I didn't want to buy a bag just to buy a bag, and even though the prices are decent on the Tiffany and Fred bags, and I almost bought one of their like Picotin dupes because it is so good, and I love the Picotin I have. So almost bought one, but I'm like, if I buy one, I'd rather buy something I don't have. And all of a sudden I waited, and I waited, and I waited, and something showed up that I knew that they made, but had not been on the website before, and certainly not in this color. So it came in a nice box, not luxury box, but a box. Came in this little dust bag, and I got their dupe for the Loewe puzzle bag. And I just think this is spectacular. Clearly I've already opened it, so here's the front. I'm gonna see if I can get this off pretty easily so that I'm not, yeah, okay, that was really easy. So the handle is not as substantial as I've seen the Loewe ones look. I think the ones are a little thicker and more to them, but I'm not sure why or how that would matter in the least. So it has there. So here's the side. Here's the back side. And they do have the little zipper pocket. And there is inside a spot. You can put like probably fit a credit card or two in there, if not more. Here's the other side.
Paper football.
And here's the bottom. And they have feet. And then, I'm not sure.
Are they blue or are they covered in plastic?
I don't have the plastic off it yet.
They were just coming across as blue. I wasn't sure.
Yeah, no, it's blue plastic. I'll have to take that off there yet. Not sure what the little D-ring is for. Right there. But...
Is there just the one?
Yeah. The top's open, similar to the Loewe bags. They just, lift up like that. I'm going to put it behind here. I'm going to open this up if I can here. Okay, and so, okay, there's more. This is stuffed. And there's a different dust bag. Oh, this one says Tiffany and Fred.
It does.
There's their dust bag. This is really nice. Well, I like the color, and it's kind of like velvety or velour. Okay, and then inside,
kind of a chamois.
We got a leather strap. Then the interior, it's very similar to Loewe. It's a canvas. Let's see if you can see there. There is a slip pocket on the back side here. There's also a slip pocket on the front side here. Oh, here's my little Tiffany and Fred card. A sample of the leather. And then we had the strap here. Love the silver hardware. Just take that off. So it's just like this. So I guess, my thought would be that easy for me to do, the strap would just go on here.
But then what the heck's the D-ring for?
Right. Unless you want to carry it different. It is a puzzle bag. So maybe it's a puzzle.
Actually, it's more of a quandary.
True. I suppose. You wanted to carry it that way, but...
Yeah, no.
I'm not sure what that's for. If anybody knows what that's for, tell me. But I hear you have it. I'm going to keep it like that now. Okay, I won't. I'll take it off.
Take it all off.
So there you have it. I bought this, and I'm really excited about it. I think it's really cute. Doesn't say Loewe on it, just like a dupe. And I thought I'd just kind of give a little more comparison. So what I did was I checked out the dimensions of the Loewe small bag. And they measure 6.4 by 9.4 by 4. So I got my handy dandy little tape measure here. So we'll check what this is here. Okay, I'm going to say this is about a 9.5. What did that have? 9.4. So this one actually would be a little bit bigger. This was 4 on the Loewe. I'd say that's a good 4 on this one. And then the height was 6, was it 6.4? 6.4. Let's measure the back side actually. So maybe a hair shorter, because I'd say this is about a 6. Unless it looks different from your side.
I'd say around a 6-ish.
Yeah. So maybe a hair, well, a little bit of a bit shorter that way, but so you could pay $4,000 for a bag like this with a little bit of a different handle, or I think this one was like $200, and this is an all leather bag.
Oh, just as much leather as the Loewe, huh?
Right. Only the price is a little different. It's like $4,000 different. So when I saw this, and then I have opened it clearly. I just didn't take the straps off the covering off the straps. When I opened this and saw it, I was super excited. I definitely know this is gonna scratch my Loewe itch, and am I glad that I saved $4,000? Yes. This has really nice leather. I know that Loewe is known for having good leather. This is nice and supple. It's beautiful. This is just a beautiful bag. And so I would say Loewe is beautiful as well, but it's not $4,000 more beautiful. That's just my opinion. Now, some people who had Loewe bags may be like, no, you're crazy. It's worth the $4,000. And to them, I'm sure it is. And but I don't know that I'll ever get a Loewe bag in my collection based on this. It's my first Tiffany and Fred. I do like owning the regular name brand bags in a lot of times, and but for something like this, especially with Loewe, I am super happy with this. So let me know what you think. What do you think? If you have a Loewe bag, how close does this look? Love the silver hardware on this. And the stitching all looks great. I've looked it over quite a bit. And yeah, beautiful stitching, beautiful piping. Still don't know what that's for. But yeah, I think it's awesome. Other than the handle being quite a bit different as far as I'm aware, which in a way that doesn't bother me in the least. I'm super excited to have this. So leave a comment down in the comments below what you think. Do you have any bags from Tiffany and Fred? If so, what do you think and what kind did you have? I definitely would buy something else for them again. I certainly think this is well worth what I paid for it. I know if you go on their website, they're about double what you can get them on Shop Premium Outlets. That's where I went. I'm not affiliated or anything. I'm just like getting a good deal here and there. And this, like I said, this definitely scratched my itch for a Loewe bag. I will be carrying this one and enjoying every minute of it. And I'll probably watch the site now to see if they have other colors, because I
thought you said that itch was scratched.
Yeah, it was, but if they're nice and they're cheap, I like them. And I don't have any other blues like this. I mean, I got my Blue Mischief bag, but there's a lacking blue, and I might lack some other colors. If they had like a bright yellow, maybe.
No.
Anyways.
There's a couple of yellows right there.
I definitely appreciate you being here. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. Would love to get to 2,000 subscribers. And if you hit the little bell notification, it even notifies you every time I put a video up.
Bing!
I generally put up videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays with the occasional one in between. You can find me over on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm James Jam over there as well. It's JAME_S_Jam. Usually put out a reel about once a week showing you my bag of the week and the SLGs that I put in it. I love switching out my bag because I have a lot of SLGs and I like to rotate them. So I usually switch my bag about once a week. Put occasionally other bag or other pictures out there, but usually at least once a week I have something out there, if not more frequently. Trying to get more people over there as well, so would love it if you wanted to follow me on Instagram. And I think that's everything today. Another video coming out on Sunday. It is another Saturday. Another video coming out on Saturday. It is another reveal. It is a luxury bag. It is not a dupe. It is the real thing from a brand I don't have anything from yet.
Pick and Save?
A luxury brand.
Sorry.
So I am really, really excited about that. Can't wait to show you. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
That D-ring on the bottom, it's a real enigma.